This cow looks like he's from our breed.
Oh, it's a horse, not a cow. And this is he's taking a nap. A very good nap. Nap should be good. I should tell you, naps are good. Yep.
देखे जी, यहाँ पे हम हाइकिंग कर रहे हैं. बड़ी अच्छी हाइक है, बड़ी अच्छी जगह है. हमारे साथ हैं शेख साहब. देखे जी उनको भी आगे जाते हुए. देखो वो गुस्सा हो गए कि हमारे बंदों को आपने क्यों हो गया, क्यों ललकारे, उसको क्यों नींद से उठाया. तो मैं उनको बताना चाहता हूँ, ये नया पाकिस्तान है, इसमें ये चीजें नहीं होती. इसमें चाहिए. बाय बाय, हैव अ गुड डे. Going to Kumrat right now, and I don't know what to say, but it's the best thing, you know. Everything was so expensive, but this one has got to like really cheap, you know, so it was fun. So right now we're going up there, and I hope you like it. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching and supporting my vision. Do subscribe my channel, and if you have any place in Pakistan that needs to be explored, do comment below and hit that like button as well. Share it with your fellows and your family, and I'll see you next week.
I channel